Sorry, let me set my hardware for a little bit.
They have the inheritance of skills. So Taiwan has USR project, Taiwan University in Taiwan.
問題を少しピックアップして、それを解決すると、全体的にコミュニケーションになるみたいなところが見つかるといいかなと。
然后就是目前我们的进度，就是我们现在还是有点算是更觉得发散吧，因为我们主要是有点是交互上的一些问题。
很快，那艺术治疗现在还有包含像绘画治疗啊、音乐治疗啊等等哦，就很多很多。它不管它叫什么名称，不管它叫园艺也好，叫摄影也好、音乐也好、美术也好、绘画也好，它都是利用五感去解决这个事情。五感啊，我们在用五感所以我们去解焦虑症这个题目，绝对不会是设计记得吃药或者记得看医生啊。如果从这个角度去切，就会比较心酸啊。所以你们尝试从五感这个地方去解这个题目。
好，
那可能怎么解呢？就是就像你们说的嘛，你们有很多 TA， 对不对？有青少年啊，有高龄者啊，有成人啊，搞不好小朋友也都有。那他们的生活的环境情境与时间轴不太一样，对不对？所以你们可以去讨论一下，在他们各个使用组各个 TA 的这些时间轴线上，五感怎么。
Okay, I think time's up, and everyone has great idea and want to keep going. You can say yes, and then we can keep the activity. Okay, we can keep activity to 2:30. Okay, that's wonderful, you guys.
I think I'm almost done. Some still thinking what technology can help with this situation, but
No problem. Or you can start to find some image, and during this time you may have a great idea.
I saw your keywords. It's very interesting.
Oh, thank you.
To see what is the situation in Japan, because I think Taiwanese actually don't know the actually life in Japan. most of us only watch animation.
So, teenager suffer from academic and peer pressure. What kind of the kind of pressure is good grades, get good grades and appearance, and adapt to society. Their specific symptoms is these.
diabetes. I like this.
Possible causes is lack of relationship in school home, lead to not feeling connected, supported, or cared for, and excessive use of social media, SNS, lead to compare with others. And this topic, in Japan, so there are these words, 老老介護、認認介護. Roro Kaigo means elderly people take care of each other.
Oh.
Kaigo means dementia, parents or caring for each other. So there are many problems. The situation is the aging wives caring for elderly husband and children over 65 caring for older parents. Home care, frequent in home care. The problem is physical and emotional burden on caregiver. Lead to sorry.
That's okay. Abuse before.
Yes. And
I've been held by her.
clasp together.
Yeah.
And dementia, in the case of dementia, caregiver may not know whether they have received the care they need. So yes, the injury on accident. The possible cause is the difference between average life expectancy and healthy life expectancy. And children live far away and can't afford receiving public assistance. The reluctance to ask others for help. Experience a war that requires patience lead to this? Maybe.
Oh, you don't know. In Japanese society, this kind of situations. The general care. Well, I think your information is very clear and very great, very specific.
Thank you.
It's really helpful for Taiwanese to know the deeper situation in Japan. And I think I'm interested in because I think there are some similar similar things, but they still have some nuance, some different ways, little different ways. It's interesting.
Thank you.
So
next.
Sorry. I can't find today's mirror board. Can you give me the link?
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, I think.
It's on the Slack.
On chat. Thank you.
No problem. So, who said she can't not log in the new mirror board? Do you okay?
I see Wendy coming, so it might be.
Okay, no problem. If you are okay, don't hesitate to tell us. and I can share some information. I don't know whether you guys would chat with other members, other groups members, and I heard they are very anxiety. and,
Hi.
Okay, you hear me? Okay. I just quickly finished what I heard, and actually they don't know too specific or too clear about teacher talking teacher's advice. And they don't know what they should do to the next stage. So I think we are on a very great path, because I go through other groups board, and I think why our information is well organized, because we still support and design based on the human-centered design. So I think we will make a great project in the future, because as everyone know, design usually is for human beings. Yeah. Okay, so is everyone successfully coming to the mirror?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. So now we have a next. So, you?
Okay. I am Liang. So here is my conclusion. So the topic is the components define agile or resilience relationship. And then I distribute it into two parts, like people and environment. Because I go back to the mind map we do yesterday, and I discovered that like severe or life or modern lifestyle is like people thing. Our mental or people to people. Yeah, it's all like people to people, but the environment things on the right hand side. Maybe example be like social welfare, like medical care, and the disaster part. It's like have some environment into it. Yeah, environment affect have something happen. Yeah. And so I will go with the people part first. I do some type up the information to see what is their common thing. Yeah. So start from who? We got kids, teenagers, salarymen like office worker, elderly, and people who live away from family. And I discovered that that's come from